Every atom of iron flowing through your veins, every molecule of oxygen you breathe was once a part of a stellar furnace, forged in processes that defy our everyday understanding of reality. You are, in essence, a living, breathing component of the universe, built from its most fundamental physics. But what if there are phenomena right here on Earth that challenge these very foundations of your existence, revealing movements that should be impossible? Unidentified anomalous phenomena, or UAPs, present motions that seem to break every rule of physics we know. These objects demonstrate incredible speed, instantaneous acceleration, and abrupt changes in direction that no non-conventional aircraft can achieve. They force us to reconsider the limits of engineering and the very fabric of space-time itself. Your understanding of reality might be about to expand. One of the most baffling UAP characteristics is instantaneous acceleration, a sudden burst of speed from a standstill to thousands of miles per hour. This rapid change in velocity would impart enormous g-forces, crushing any human occupants and tearing apart conventional aircraft structures. Scientists grapple with how such forces are generated, or more impossibly, how they are mitigated. The transmedium travel observable shows UAPs moving seamlessly between air and water, or even space, without any apparent resistance or change in performance. They transition from atmospheric flight to underwater maneuvers at high speeds, seemingly ignoring the immense drag and pressure differentials. This defies our current understanding of hydrodynamics and aerospace engineering. These objects also perform sudden instantaneous maneuverability, executing sharp 90-degree turns at extreme velocities. Imagine a fighter jet doing this. It would instantly disintegrate. What kind of technology allows for such violent shifts in momentum without dissipating energy or creating immense structural stress? How is this even possible? The immense g-force problem is a core challenge to conventional explanations for UAPs. An object making a 90-degree turn at Mach 3 300 miles per hour would experience thousands of Gs, pulverizing any internal structure. This suggests either incredibly advanced structural integrity or a revolutionary method of inertia dampening unknown to us. The energy source behind these phenomena remains a profound mystery, as conventional propulsion demands vast amounts of fuel and generates significant heat and exhaust. UAPs display none of these telltale signs, hinting at an entirely different, perhaps exotic, energy generation mechanism. This energy efficiency borders on the fantastical, defying current thermodynamics. Perhaps most puzzling is the no-sonic boom phenomenon, where UAPs can exceed the speed of sound without creating the characteristic shockwave. A sonic boom is a fundamental consequence of breaking the sound barrier, yet UAP videos frequently show objects moving at supersonic speeds in silence. This implies manipulation of air pressure or a localized spacetime distortion. One of the most famous UAP encounters is the Tic Tac incident from 2004, witnessed by US Navy pilots off the coast of San Diego. A white featureless object shaped like a tic-tac candy was tracked by multiple sensor systems. It performed maneuvers that baffled highly experienced pilots and advanced radar systems, becoming a key data point for UAP studies. During the Tic Tac incident, the object was observed dropping from 80,000 feet to sea level in mere seconds, then accelerating away instantly. This radical descent and immediate acceleration are physically impossible for any known aircraft. Imagine trying to descend at such a rate. The air friction would incinerate any conventional craft. The giant ball UAP video, released by the Pentagon, shows an object rotating against the wind at high speed, seemingly without wings or propulsion. Its ability to maintain orientation and speed despite atmospheric conditions suggests a complete disregard for aerodynamic principles. The object's anomalous rotation and movement continue to defy conventional explanation. Another compelling piece of evidence is the Go Fast UAP video depicting a rapidly moving object skimming just above the ocean surface. The sheer speed and proximity to the water, without creating a detectable wake or spray, are highly unusual. It underscores the UAP's apparent ability to interact minimally with their environment while achieving extreme velocities. Some scientific hypotheses suggest UAPs might employ advanced aerodynamic principles, perhaps manipulating air density or creating localized vacuum bubbles to reduce drag. However, even the most cutting-edge fluid dynamics struggles to explain the instantaneous accelerations and transmedium travel without visible propulsion. The energy requirements alone are staggering. More speculative theories propose UAPs utilize field propulsion systems, directly manipulating gravity or spacetime itself. Imagine generating a localized gravitational field around the craft, essentially falling in a chosen direction or bending spacetime to shorten the distance. Such concepts are found in theoretical physics but remain far beyond our current engineering capabilities. Could these phenomena harness exotic matter or unknown energy sources to power their impossible movements? Some physicists theorize about negative mass or zero-point energy, which could potentially warp local spacetime or provide reactionless thrust. But what if our current understanding of physics is simply too incomplete to grasp these technologies? The concept of metamaterials offers a glimpse into how UAPs might achieve their low observability or even manipulate light. These engineered materials can bend electromagnetic radiation in extraordinary ways, potentially allowing for cloaking or adaptive camouflage. While fascinating, this technology alone does not explain the extreme kinematic performance. It's crucial to acknowledge that many UAP sightings are eventually identified as conventional aircraft, balloons, or known atmospheric phenomena. Misidentification, human perception biases, and sensor anomalies contribute significantly to the UAP dataset. However, a persistent subset of cases continues to defy all conventional explanations. The All-Domain Anomaly Resolution Office (ARO), established by the US government, aims to bring rigorous scientific analysis to UAP reports. Its mandate is to collect, analyze, and resolve UAP data, integrating information from various intelligence agencies and military branches. This represents a significant shift towards scientific inquiry into the phenomenon. The broader scientific community approaches UAPs with healthy skepticism, rightly demanding empirical data, replicable observations, and peer-reviewed evidence before drawing conclusions. While public interest is high, scientists require hard facts that can withstand scrutiny. This meticulous process ensures that any definitive findings are robust and credible. If UAPs genuinely represent non-human technology, the implications for humanity are profound, forcing a paradigm shift in our understanding of life in the cosmos. It would mean our universe is far more complex and perhaps inhabited by intelligence far beyond our current comprehension. This discovery would reshape our philosophy and science overnight. The challenges of interstellar travel are immense, requiring solutions to vast distances, extreme speeds, and energy requirements that currently seem insurmountable. The reported movements of UAPs, however, suggest a mastery over these very barriers. Would they offer a glimpse into a future where interstellar journeys are commonplace? Ultimately, UAPs raise profound philosophical questions that touch upon our place in the universe. Are we alone? What else is possible within the laws of physics or perhaps beyond them? These phenomena compel us to look past our current limitations and contemplate what new knowledge might be just beyond our reach. The quest to understand UAPs continues to push the boundaries of science and imagination. Whether they represent advanced human technology, exotic natural phenomena, or something truly extraterrestrial, their anomalous movements challenge us to rethink everything. The answers, when they come, may spark a scientific revolution unlike any other. What do you think these incredible UAP movements signify for our understanding of physics? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this journey into the unknown as fascinating as we did, please like this video, subscribe to our channel for more cosmic mysteries, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive.